What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add light play, or if you want to call it light effect, to your design. Okay, so when you look at this design on your screen, this particular design movie poster on your screen, you can see the add light play. This thing that you see here, it's what I refer to light play or light effect. All right, and as you can see, it makes this movie poster pop. Okay, if you look at it, it looks beautiful. And what really make it pop, or what really makes this poster beautiful, is this light flare here. Okay, and they also apply that light same style of light flare here with a different color. You can see this one is blue, so you can apply whatever kind of color you want. Okay, here they use yellow, and then if you look at this one as well, they apply light flare here. Okay, as well as this. Okay, so all of this is what makes design pop. So you need to know how to apply them. You need to know the techniques to be able to apply that will help you make your design pop. All right, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you'll be able to receive a notification or get notified as soon as I post a new video. All right, without any further ado, guys, let's quickly jump into it. So all you need to do, you go online. All right, I don't know wherever you normally download your stuff. So the keywords to use there is flare, light flare, or can use light effects. Just search light effects, go to your Google wherever and type light effect or light flare. So you see something like this will pop up. Okay, all of these things will come up. Let's say stuff like this will come up with different background, like maybe black background or whatever. Whichever color you want, you can just put the color either red or blue or yellow or whichever. Just type blue flare or effect, yellow effect, flare. So all these things will come. So you download any of them, any one that appeal to you, download it, and then you come down to your Corel Draw. So let's say if I want to add, let's use this for an example. So if I want to apply this particular yellow, uh this particular one, let's use this for example. If I want to apply this to this design, let's add this to this design. Okay, you all you need to do, you come down to your transparency tool. Once you click on your transparency tool, and then you come here, you see normal. So once you see this normal, that means you are in the right place. So all you need to do, you change it to screen, or you might see any of these as long as you click here. So this on in this on this your property bar, this thing will pop up, or this drop down menu will come up. So you need to choose screen. So you change it to screen. Once you change it to screen, you can see that the black background is off from this flare. So you can move it to wherever you want. Because if I remove it, you can see that there is nothing like yellow here. So if I bring it back in, so you can see that I apply it another effect to this. So if I want to add this kind of effect to this, in order to apply or add to what this person has done here, all I need to do is to bring it somewhere up here. All right, so as you can see, this is this is the result I will have. All right, so as you can see, something is happening here. All right, so something is happening here. So this will make a lot of sense. So this is how we apply, okay, light flame effect. So if I want to apply it to my face, as you can see, I worked on this photo, so that's why you see part of it is blue and the other side is showing kind of red. So you can actually apply this to it. So you can see it's becoming more and more yellow. So it makes the design pop. All these things usually make your design pop if you know how to apply it, very well. Okay, so if I like, I can add it to this particular one. So see, they drop it here, so that's why you see this particular design looks so beautiful. So now I can decide to maybe apply my own somewhere here. So you all need to do is just drop it in a very strategic point, and then scale it up, and then arrange it. So as you can see, it looks beautiful, right? So that's what you can achieve with this transparency tool. All right, so go ahead and try, and let's see. When you finish, you can also you can come and drop it in the comment section and let me see what you have done. All right, so guys, okay, let me use this other one, so that for the purpose of the tutorial, so that we see what we are doing. So once again, when you did download it, all you need to do, you bring it close to where you want to apply. So you need to click here, come to your transparency tool, click here, and then change this place to screen. Don't always forget to change it to screen. So once you change it to screen, you can see we have some sort of ring lights here. Okay, ring flare. So we can actually add this to this design to make sense, isn't it? All you need to do is just to look for a strategic place and keep it and add it. All right, but obviously there's no need to add this here. We only have blue. The blue makes it beautiful. So go ahead and try your own, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. See you. Bye.